Long before the British ships reached Jamaica shores, Anansi traveled in the memories of enslaved Africans, carried across the Atlantic in whispered stories. He came from the Ashanti people of Ghana, where he was known as Kwaku Ananse, the trickster spider who could outsmart kings, spirits, and even death itself. In Jamaica, he became Brother Anansi, small, cunning, and impossible to defeat. By day, Anansi might look like a simple spider or a skinny little man with sharp eyes and a sly grin. But by night, he was a master schemer. He tricked Tiger, the strongest beast in the bush, into traps. He fooled the devil with riddles. He even once bargained with death, convincing him to climb into a sack just to prove he wasn't afraid. Anansi tied and left death hanging in a tree until he promised never to take him before his time. But Anansi's stories were more than just entertainment. During slavery, he became a symbol of survival. Enslaved Jamaicans saw themselves in him, small and oppressed, yet clever enough to outwit those in power. Through Anansi, they found laughter in suffering and hope in hardship. Still elders sworn, Anansi is not just funny, he is dangerous. He lies, cheats, and tricks without remorse. Some say if you tell his stories too late at night, you might hear a soft crawling sound on your wall and a tiny voice whispering your name, because Brother Anansi never truly left.